Good afternoon, Year 10, or I should say hello. How are you doing? Welcome to your assembly this week. So your assembly is going to be on our well-being. Okay. So when we look at well-being, there's so many different strands, there's so many different attributes. But for today, I'm just going to focus on the physical, the emotional, and the social parts of well-being. Okay. So when we're talking about well-being, it's not just the absence of disease or infirmity. The actual quote is, it's a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of those things that I mentioned before, disease or infirmity. So we're going to focus on physical health first. So good physical health, it's linked to fitness. Okay, so being able to perform effectively the physical tasks involved in life as well as sport. So it's you getting up, it's going downstairs, having your breakfast, getting dressed, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's just generally being physically healthy. Okay. So it's enjoying being physically active, having good balance, coordination, and agility in your everyday tasks, not just sport, having strength, stamina, and the suppleness required for daily life and work and play. It's also having fewer illnesses, diseases, and injuries. Emotional or mental health is linked to personal well-being. Feeling positive about yourself, being emotionally healthy includes having self-esteem and self-respect, feeling positive about life, which also includes feeling useful and being optimistic about the future, which in this state and in these times is very poignant. Social health also contributes to well-being. Okay, it's about feeling positive about your interactions with other people and the wider world. Being socially healthy includes some of the following. So being able to interact with a range of people and having a sense of belonging, having respect, empathy, and tolerance for other people, being able to manage emotions to suit the situation, definitely in this climate, recognizing and managing the effects of actions on others, as well as being aware of rights and responsibilities. And obviously, guys, at this time, in this climate that we're living in, your well-being is ever so important. We're not seeing you every day, which for me is a massive issue because, I want to know that you're safe and well. I want to know that you're accessing your work. I want to know that you're learning. I want to know that you're growing, not just as a student, not just as someone who's part of education, but as a whole person. Okay, so it's tough times for everyone, but we're going to dig deep. Things are going to get better. One thing that I want to say before I close off is just sort of keep your eye on what's going on with Year 11 at the minute. We're going to be in that position in 12 months, if not less. So, just when you've got the opportunities to get online and submit some work, please do so. Okay, we're here to help. If you're stuck, if you're struggling, if you need some advice, just give us a call. Drop us an email. We'll be more than happy to help because we don't know what's going to happen this time next year in terms of us going for our qualifications. So we have to try and do all that we can to put ourselves in the best positions. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.